welcome to my channel. Today is first day in Osaka. हमने check in कर लिया and आप मेरा hotel room तो देख लेंगे and when I'm going to Umeda Sky Building, I hope entry मिल जाए. उसके बाद plan है Dotonbori जाना. So let's go and see you there. So this is our room in Osaka. As soon as you enter, you will see a spacious room. This is the shoe rack. And this room is really very big, and there's a wardrobe where you can store your belongings. You will also find an iron and ironing board for your clothes. Additionally, there's a microwave, a small fridge, a kettle, a sink and an induction cooktop. All utensils and everything else you need are provided. The apartment looks beautiful and I found it really cute. Since we didn't opt for breakfast at the apartment, we could have our meals at home. That's why we chose this place. Now look at the facilities provided. It's amazing. Check out the washroom. It's so beautiful. You'll find a dustbin on the side and a shower area with a bathtub. The apartment has excellent facilities and there's another washroom as well. My mom and dad were waiting outside for me while I was making this video. So cute. Now I have come inside and turned on the lights. As you enter, you will see a sitting area with a sofa-like arrangement. Oh my god, look at the beds. They're huge with a bunk bed design. I wasn't expecting it to be so big. I mean 6 to 8 people can easily stay here. However, the view from outside wasn't great, but that's okay since we are here to explore the city. There's a lamp, TV, a long mirror and a chair and a stool. Everything you need is provided. Overall, I would say it's really great. I loved it and my mom and dad did too. Now my dad is coming inside with the luggages. Thank you, Dad. But wait, before arriving in Osaka, we visited the Nishiki market in Kyoto. So let me show you what we did at the Nishiki market. My dad and I went to the market and this is what it looked like. It's a huge market, mainly for food, seafood and many things. However, not all the shops were open since we went there early in the morning. We had a train to catch later followed by a visit to the KTX. I took videos of all the shops that were open and I also tried to some food for breakfast. Let me show you what I had. Nishiki Market, also known as Kyoto's Kitchen, is a vibrant shopping street filled with over 100 shops and stalls offering a wide range of food, groceries and local specialties. Located in the heart of Kyoto, this market has been in operation since 1615, making it a historic landmark in the city. Must-try foods and delicacies. Some of the must-try food at Nishiki Market include fresh seafood. Enjoy the fresh seafood including sushi, sashimi at various stalls throughout the market. Yuba cream croquette, a small snack made from the tofu skin, cream and vegetables. Charcoal grilled mitashi dango, a traditional Kyoto sweet treat. Oyster, squid and prawns, eelfish and whatnot. Seasonal delicacies such as sakura flavored snacks in spring or roasted chestnut in autumn. पापा देख के कैसा लग रहा है ये सारे फिश? आपको तो अच्छा लग रहा होगा.
में तो ये तो नहीं होता है. फिनिश प्रोडक्ट, फ्रोजन प्रोडक्ट सब कुछ है और रेडीमेड यू कैन ईट.
But you can eat here fresh fish.
Fresh fish also, marine, frozen fish. Different type of fish.
My food is ready.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. My food is ready. Cha. This is squid, this is octopus, this is scallop, this is prawn. So अभी मैं scallops खा रही हूँ, खा के बताती हूँ कैसा है. Very chewy. मीठा sauce दिया है. Very tasty. Now the prawns. Prawns तो हमेशा अच्छा लगा. सॉल्टी थोड़ा सा हल्का सॉल्टी बहुत ही अच्छा है ऑक्टोपस। इसका बॉन्ड फ्लेवर आ रहा है, ये भी टेस्टी है। और ये मेरा फर्स्ट फेवरेट प्रॉन, सेकेंड है स्वीट, बहुत टेस्टी है। तो पापा एक ट्राई कर रहे हैं श्रिम्प, खा के बताओ कैसा है, हाउ इज़ द टेस्ट?
Excellent. Delicious.
मतलब क्या फील आ रहा है खा के?
Yeah. Totally different from our country. अच्छा है?
और आप बाकी कोई टेस्ट नहीं करोगे?
नहीं.
अच्छा आप ये सिर्फ यही करोगे? ठीक है। As we know, Nishiki Market in Kyoto, Japan is a paradise for foodies, offering a wide variety of delicious street food. Here are some must-try items. First, sashimi. Fresh, high-quality sashimi is available at various stalls, including Kimura fresh fish. Second, taco tamago, a unique snack featuring a baby octopus with a quail egg stuffed in its head. Donuts. Soy milk donuts with various toppings such as caramel, chocolate and kinako are a popular treat. Unagi, grilled eel rice bowl. Tamagoyaki, Japanese style omelets filled with cabbage, carrot and other vegetables. Matcha sweets, enjoy matcha flavored mochi, ice cream and other treats. Yatsusashi, traditional Japanese cinnamon cookies filled with sweet red bean paste. Senbi, crunchy rice crackers often seasoned with salt or spices. Dried foods, various dried fish, vegetables and seaweed are available for sampling and purchase. And this market is so cute. They have both the sides and they are selling lots of fried items like tempura, prawns tempura, octopus, fried octopus, sushi, onigiri and everything. I wanted to have everything, but as you can say, you can't have everything like in that moment. But I tried two of the things. And first I tried prawns tempura. It was delicious. I love prawn tempura. And the second I tried is octopus fried. You can see, I mean, how happy I was while eating those. Then we also got takeout for mom, prawns tempura, because mom couldn't come, so she said I'm tired since we had to head back to Osaka. But so we got takeout for mom and I thoroughly enjoyed Nishiki Market, and it's a must visit. Who loves seafood, you should visit Nishiki Market in Kyoto, Japan. So बहुत अच्छा खाना खाया निशिकी मार्केट में. Their missed food in Kyoto बहुत ही टेस्टी था. मैं बोलती थी वो यमीएस्ट था, पर ये यमीएस्ट है. फाइनली प्रॉन्स टेम्परा खा लिया है. सिर्फ सुशी की बारी है. सुशी हम ओसाका में खाएंगे क्योंकि स्पेस नहीं मिल रहा था जहाँ जा रहे थे. तो खाना बहुत ही टेस्टी था, बहुत ज़्यादा. Then we came across a temple opposite Nishiki Market, so we said let's visit and see what it's like. As usual, temples everywhere are unique and beautiful. And there's something else I want to show you. Look, there's something I didn't do, but I have seen many people doing it in reels. Whenever they visit, they get a stamp on their notebook. See, people here are getting stamps here, and if I get another chance, I will definitely come back and get a stamp too. So finally we reached Osaka, and then we headed out for lunch and we are looking for a restaurant. Let's see where we're gonna eat, but I want to have the eel fish bento box and I'm looking for it, and finally I got it. So ये bento box आपने देखा होगा eel fish का, तो वही खा रहे हैं हम लोग. And this is the restaurant. छोटा सा है, यही बैठ के हम लोग खा रहे हैं. और we are having lunch near Juso Station, ओसाका. तो यहाँ आपको eel fish का ये boxes मिल जाएगा आपको. So finally eel fish bento box is there. This is the eel fish bento box. Oh my god, it looks so yummy. I mean, we ordered two types of eel fish, one with egg and one just a bento box. तो मैं टेस्ट करके बताती हूँ कैसा है ये फिश. बाबा आपने खाया कभी?
नहीं.
फर्स्ट टाइम. एक मिनट में खा के बताती हूँ. नहीं, आपने आप लोग ने खाया होगा. अच्छा, तो वो मीठा मीठा फ्लेवर है, इसकी सॉस है. मछली अच्छा है, सच में अच्छा है. So finally we arrive at the train station and look at this train. It gives me a totally British feel. We weren't on the metro because where we had to take a regular train first and then switch to the metro. So we were standing here waiting for the train and it was empty, but it looked great. After taking the train, we finally arrived in Osaka, which is the main city center. Actually, I made a mistake by booking a hotel that's a bit far from the city center, but it's okay, we can explore. We should have chosen a hotel in the city center, but it's fine. Look at those buildings. They're so tall and beautiful. These roads are amazing and everything is so lovely here. I'm enjoying a lot. Finally, we have arrived at the Umeda Sky Building. Yes, we are here. After arriving, we will head up to the observation deck, which is really high. You will get to see everything from up there and look at the building. Oh my god, it's so pretty. But look at this one from down. It's incredible. The Umeda Sky Building is really intimidating, especially for those with a fear of heights. But I love it, and since we don't have that fear, we'll go up to the observation deck. We will buy tickets first and then head up. So finally we got our tickets and now we need to go to the first floor and then take the elevator from there. So Umeda Sky Building is a 40-story skyscraper located in Osaka, Japan. It's a popular tourist destination known for its unique architecture and stunning views of the city. The building height is 173 meters, floor 40, and it's an office building, observation deck and a shopping complex. It has some unique features also, like a floating garden, a rooftop garden connecting the two towers, elevator, high-speed elevators take visitor to the observation deck in 80 seconds. Can you imagine? The building's unique design features two towers connected by a rooftop garden. So we're going up and ticket price is 1500 yen per person for the observatory and child 700 yen. So वो देख के आना. The Umeda Sky Building's floating garden observatory is a must-visit attraction in Osaka, Japan. So it has a panoramic views. Enjoy breathtaking 360-degree views of Osaka city from 170 meters above ground level. Floor-to-ceiling windows, taking the stunning views through large floor-to-ceiling windows. And see, they have a mirror up here and I can see myself also. People are taking pictures. I mean, I didn't take picture here. I want to go more up and take pictures. And now we are going to the next floor. And you have also a comfortable sitting area. You can relax and enjoy the views from comfortable sitting areas. And there are also some museum type also is there. You can see, I mean, how they are made and the architecture, everything. They have jewelries also. If you want to buy, you can buy jewelries, souvenirs and many things. And there is also a small restaurant inside. I mean, we didn't had anything here, but people are enjoying the view, having coffee or any dessert. And now we are finally at the top of the Umeda Sky Building. There is a skywalk, a glass encased escalator ride that takes you up to the rooftop observatory. The Sky Stage, an outdoor stage hosting live events and performance. The Sky Garden, a rooftop garden with beautiful plants and flowers. And here, as usual, I'm taking videos. My dad helped me with the videos this time as he was here with us and we all were enjoying a lot. And just let me know the outfit, how is it? And then I took a video for my mom and dad. Look at the view. Oh my god, it's breathtaking. I mean, every observatory deck, the view is awesome. Just enjoy it. And now we are going back. Yes, we are going down and look how happy I am. I mean, I loved it. I mean, we should have visited the night view also, but there is less time, so we couldn't visit. We have to visit in the morning only. But now we are going somewhere. I'm excited for that also. I'm going to meet someone again. Yes. And my dad was a little bit scared because it was going down like that way. And look at this. This is so pretty. I mean, everything is pretty, beautiful. Everything is pretty here. And we finally arrived at Dotonbori, Osaka's most iconic neighborhood. I have so many videos and photos of this place, including the most famous Glico-man billboard. I am thrilled to be here, and you will soon see why it's so popular with tourists and local alike. And I'm so happy to be here, and you will meet more people here in a bit. Just wait for some time. So here's the most famous Glico-man billboard, and everyone's taking photos and videos. My mom and dad are very happy, but I'm a bit disappointed that I couldn't do a food vlog here as much as I wanted to. I had planned to come back the next day, but I didn't work out. But however, I enjoyed my time here, and I hope you're enjoying my videos. And you know, I love this dress, and there's also a boat ride available here. They take you on a tour around the area, showing you the buildings and scenery. But unfortunately, when we arrived, the last boat ride was departing and there were no seats left. I was disappointed, but I will just have to come back next time because we got a 5-year Japan visa, so we will definitely be back. I hope so. My dad was also very happy, and you can see that in every video whenever I took videos of him. But this Glico-man billboard is so famous, but I don't know why. Please let me know if you know why this is so much famous. I can say this area is so happening, and I'm having a blast. We're waiting for some friends to join us, and then we'll continue exploring. I'm a bit sad that I missed the boat ride, but maybe next time. My mom and dad were also a bit disappointed, but we will just have to try again. And one thing I noticed is that all the restaurants here have huge posters of crabs, prawns and other seafood outside their doors. It's quite interesting. And let me tell you, my friends have arrived and I'm so happy now. I was sad, but now I'm happy. So let's go and meet them. And before that, you just check this board. Oh, it's so cute. There's an advertising going around, but I loved it. आज लास्ट एंड फाइनल डे हम लोग मिल रहे हैं ओसाका में, हर जगह में मिल रहे हैं, तो इस बार भी मिल गया. Yes, ऊपर चल के बात करते हैं. So we have arrived upstairs. As you can see, it's quite crowded. We were trying to take a video of the 5 of us, but Sauradeep was nowhere to be found. We called him and finally we took a video together. However, he thought it was just a photo and I had to remind him that it was a video. And I was laughing there. And as we continued exploring, we stumbled upon some shops, but as usual, I didn't find anything that caught my eye. Then I remembered that I had brought some Korean snacks, which I had tried during my trip to Korea. I wanted my mom and dad to try them since they hadn't been to Korea yet. So Sauradeep took the snack and we all had a good laugh because my snack didn't come out as expected. I asked everyone to join in on the video, but they were taking their time and I got a bit frustrated. Finally, we managed to take the video, but my snack didn't still come out right. And still I'm getting angry. You can see from the video I was getting more and more angry. But it's okay. They are my mom and dad. And dad didn't come. Okay, dad is taking the video. How can he come? Mom came. She was standing like that way only. But the cheese didn't come out. I don't know why. Korea is best for Korean cheesecake. After that, so this is the main gate of Dotonbori. So nice. Now in the night, it looks amazing. The lights, everything. Oh, everything is amazing in night. And after that, we decided to head back to our accommodation in Sakemachi. And that's all for today's video. We'll be back with a new video. Till then, subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment on my video, click on the bell notification and follow me on Instagram. And see you next week. Bye.